Many people saying as Phuket have only Patong, legendary Patong, and some beaches, and after that nothing interesting is here on the island. But actually it's not true, because Phuket have a beautiful Phuket old town with colonial style buildings from Chinese culture and Portuguese culture. And if you come here, everything looks totally different than anywhere elsewhere in Phuket or even in Thailand. And it's actually super cool, I'm gonna tell you right now. Even on the one of the main streets you can find so many nice bakeries like this French cuisine or Chinese cuisine over there. So many options around. Actually this building with the Chinese, Japanese actually, this is not Chinese but it's Japanese, looks pretty cool. Phuket town is not so big though. However, one of the very characteristic place over here is Phuket Tea Coffee Bar. And I can tell you it must be something there very special, because the people waiting on the street in the queues to get there. So I think I will wait for a few minutes, and this is definitely coffee time for me right now. I cannot skip the place like this one. And anyways, everywhere around there are a few nice shops on every single corner, and also the taxi service as well. So I was just planning to go to Phuket and I met this lovely couple who are the full-time travelers from US, currently in Phuket in Thailand in general for a full month. From Squeeze the Day, right?
Squeeze the Day, one word.
Check this out, their channel. Where are you heading next after the Phuket?
Next, we're gonna actually be heading off to Cambodia. We're super excited about that.
Some of my viewers asked for Cambodia. You can check them out, and I will go after them.
yeah, you gotta come up to Cambodia. Convince them to go too. Cambodia is beautiful. This will be our second visit, first time filming it.
Is it safe?
Yes, that's what we've been told. It's safe.
All right, check this out, the channel, and let's go have a coffee.
Time for a coffee.
So this is the little restaurant deep inside. Looks like this one, however, it's very small and it's very full, obviously. This is the little restaurant, what you can expect inside. So it's definitely worth to try. However, we have to be very patient, because we don't know how long we're gonna wait and what they are doing. Like here, for instance, the ice creams. And they have a very nice selection of the beverages also. Not sure if they're selling coffee though. This one seems like also cool looking pub, Hawk's Head. Here we go. I'm not in the mood to going to the pub though, but you have to make a video. But check this out, there's like a cultural aspects, having, you know, the paintings and well, the spas, stuff like this one, the local Phuket owned tuk-tuks. That's a little view of the streets of the old town in Phuket and what you could potentially expect over here. It looks pretty cool actually about architecture. I'm not gonna tell you as it's boring, because it's definitely not. It looks a little bit like a Chinatown combined with the Portuguese colonial style actually. Check this out. Check this out, this shop and these mosaics on the street. On the floor, it's actually so cool. Also, what I realized, the stuff here is obviously for tourists, as the merchandise you can buy, but it looks a little bit different than on the commercial markets like in Bangkok or even on Patong. It's a little bit more custom made. Here we go, let's try this one, maybe the old looking building, custom tailored since 1971, and this is like a cafe inside. Maybe having a coffee here then, maybe a little bit more luck with it. Oh, they have a coffee machine, let's check this out. They have a cappuccino, so check this out. Pretty cool place with so many cool details around. Yes, I'm sitting here facing the street, yeah? That's the house, the barista is making drink, very nice indeed. This is very nice style, we'll check this out. This showing machine or whatever it's called. Some people are gonna have a little seat here overlooking the street. Also, I can tell you this place, even the traffic junction is good for the pictures, because so many people coming and making special pictures and videos and overlooking this lovely architecture over here like this one. Cheers, guys. Actually pretty nice coffee here. Actually really nice, strong, but there it tastes very good taste. Highly recommended place, guys. Coffee was nice, cost me 75 bahts in case if you are interested about the prices in Phuket town. Everywhere so nice buildings of colonial styles. I can see a lot of YouTubers, any kind of photographers, tourists. Everybody are walking here and making any kind of pictures. So it's very photogenic city for everyone who are looking to, you know, having a good picture on Instagram. Definitely you cannot miss Phuket Old Town. Also so many small boutiques like this one, the shops, and definitely so many nice looking cafes and the places to having a coffee or just simply something sweet, or even having a lunch or dinner. So highly recommended. However, now I'm going to Bang Tao on the other side of the island to meet one of my friends. I will show you a little bit around over there, and let's see, maybe I can even talk with him a little bit on my video if he wants, because he's actually a famous YouTuber, but in Poland, Phuket based, so maybe he's gonna share me some nice stories. Meanwhile, this another street over here is also very cool looking. So much is going on and very nice buildings everywhere around. Also definitely 100% this is very tourist spot in Phuket Old Town, and definitely there are more tourists who are interested about the little bit of the art, little bit of the culture, architecture, other stuff. Definitely not like a party people. Well, there's like, you know, little bit different part of Phuket, so everyone should find something for yourself, whatever you like and you feel it's in your interest point. I just arrived to the Bank Tower. Unfortunately, I had some personal matters and he cannot meet me today. But when I travel here already, I'm gonna show you a little bit of Bank Tower. Bank Tower is like a small town. There are some bars here, some accommodation option, but seems like a place is very popular for the Mai Tai schools. And then I just arrived to the very nice looking beautiful beach here. So I think I'm gonna have opportunity also to fly drone a little bit today, finally. So this beach is called Surin Beach, and well, any kind of beach in Phuket have like a palm tree is very closed. Not so many buildings or construction. There are some like a little huts selling some drinks, like a beach bar, only actually 1 or 2 open. And the beaches seems like they are nearly empty. As most of my viewers are, they know me just because I live in Bali for a very long period of time. I'm gonna tell you, Phuket and wherever I am in Phuket is actually totally different than Bali. I mean, first of all, there's different kind of beaches. The sand is very beautiful, there is nice water, it's clean, and there is, what is the most biggest difference, there are not many people anywhere around. This is like a local vibe, probably not so touristic. They have a rubbish bin, which is big surprise for me. I mean, this is something, it's very clean, guys. I mean, very quiet, very clean, very cozy. There's like a local bar. I'm gonna have now some drink. You can have some local food. Check this out, pretty cool place. Even this cool little bar, so cool. Just order the Coke. You can have some coconuts or cocktails, so fruit, stuff like this, people enjoying. So I will enjoy my drink, relax a little bit, because actually the breeze, ocean breeze, and this is windy season, I mean the rainy season, something like that, is actually very fresh air. It's not that hot like in Bangkok. So I will little bit enjoy my time, and I will see you on different location. I want to watch sunset today. Maybe weather is good enough to see beautiful sunset in Phuket. Why not? Maybe, hopefully, one day have to. So I'm going to different location. I wanted to stop you to show you how the beautiful roads are Phuket are actually. They are really nice for me. I like a really good quality roads, and I see just the elephants over there. That's really surprised me so much. One of the resorts anyway. That's just the regular road in Phuket. Looks like this one. Such of great quality, right? There is some empty land over here, but there is just the elephant. Check this out. I don't know if I can get closer to it, but I will zoom it for you. Here we go. Ooh, little elephant. It's not that little. Eventually I arrived to the most famous viewing sunset point in Phuket, Cape Promthep, if I'm not mistaken. This is the place where if you're gonna Google sunset in Phuket on Google, you will see this one. This is like a rock, the little island. This is like a hill, and you normally overlooking the sunset. However, the weather is not so good. I'm not sure if we can see today the sunset, but at least I managed to make it today. There's some live performance. Overall, there's very nice, prepared, very clean area with the beautiful the palm trees, roads. Everything is like very clean, very wide. But there is a very interesting thing what I would like to show you. No smoking, no alcohol. The Thailand, Phuket have a huge respect for this sign for me. And maybe if I'm lucky enough, there will be a little bit of the shot from the sunset. Maybe just a little bit. However, little bit it's still better than no sunset at all, right? And of course, the great picture for Instagram must have. I'm not interested, but I believe most of people who are coming here, they are interested in having a great picture for Instagram. Because actually the main spot for watching the sunset and making the pictures is this one. This is exactly what you see on Google, not the previous one, but this one. Well, even it's low season, not so many people, not so best weather, but quite many people everywhere around. So keep it in mind, as will be pretty hard to get a good place. Also this one over there is the island, no accessible island. There's the sunset, beautiful, and over there you can walk actually. I know some people walking, but the path looks like this one and it's getting to be dark, so maybe on different occasion, guys. I just want to show you a little bit of the sunset from Thailand, from Phuket exclusively today. Overall, you can find the places in Phuket where not many tourists or there are not many people at all. The empty places like this beautiful beach what I visited previously, or the places where are popular and very tourist ones, so you can be prepared for some crowds. Also interesting fact, wherever I go there is entrance fee. I didn't pay for any entrances yet, which is super cool. And also the roads are beautiful and there are no traffic jams in Phuket, or at least I didn't experience yet the traffic jam in Phuket. So what I can say, I like it very much. I will see you tomorrow.